Part 5. Look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
Hello, Lily.
Oh, hello. That's a nice picture.
Yes, it is. Would you like to colour it?
Yes, please. Can I colour the carrot?
Which carrot?
The one that's in the road.
OK. Colour it orange.
Can you see the orange carrot? This is an example. Now you listen and colour and write. 1.
Now can you colour that bag for me, please?
But there are 2 bags in the picture.
Oh, yes. Sorry. Well, the taller rabbit's carrying one. Can you colour that one blue?
OK, I'm doing that now.
Two.
Now can you write something for me?
I think I can.
Well, can you see that there's a place to write a word in the box at the top of the picture?
Yes. What word shall I write?
Write the word fruit there.
Three.
Now, Lily, can you see the woman there?
Is she pointing to the pears?
No, she's holding a pear.
Oh, yes. Shall I colour her hair?
Yes, that's a good idea.
Can I colour it brown?
Yes, do that.
Four.
Right, good. Now,
can I colour the baby rabbit?
Well, you can colour its ears.
The baby rabbit's ears. OK.
Colour its ears pink.
OK then. They look nice now.
Five.
Now, there are 2 little girls in the picture.
I can see them. One of them is wearing a really cool sweater.
Yes, she is.
Can I colour it?
Well, colour the elephants on it. Do them red.
OK. There.
Brilliant, Lily.
Now listen to part 5 again.